Hello, and welcome to Crypto Bull Channel. In this video, we will take a closer look at what is Bitcoin, and at the end, I will do price prediction for this crypto. When most people think of cryptocurrencies, they think of Bitcoin. But what potential does it hold? What it is and its advantages? Today in this video, we will cover everything from what Bitcoin is and why it's valuable to why it's so volatile and whether it's safe. So watch the video until the end and subscribe for more such videos. Here we begin. Bitcoin, BTC, is a cryptocurrency or virtual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment independent of any single person, group, or entity, thereby eliminating the need for third-party involvement in financial transactions. Satoshi Nakamoto, an anonymous developer or group of developers, introduced Bitcoin to the public in 2009. It has since become the world's most well-known cryptocurrency. However, its popularity has sparked the creation of numerous other cryptocurrencies. These rivals attempt to replace it as a payment system, or are used as utility or security tokens in other blockchains and emerging financial technologies. How does it work? Each Bitcoin is a file stored on a computer or smartphone in a digital wallet. To understand how cryptocurrency works, it is helpful to understand the following terms and context. Blockchain. Bitcoin is powered by blockchain, an open-source code that generates a shared public history of transactions organized into blocks that are chained to prevent tampering. This technology keeps a permanent record of every transaction and allows all Bitcoin users to operate with the same understanding of who owns what. Bitcoin mining. On the Bitcoin network, users verify transactions through a process known as mining, which is designed to confirm that new transactions are consistent with previous transactions. This prevents you from spending Bitcoin that you do not have or have already spent. Public and private keys. A Bitcoin wallet contains both a public and a private key, which work together to allow the owner to initiate and digitally sign transactions. This enables Bitcoin's central function, securely transferring ownership from one user to another. How to mine Bitcoin? Bitcoin can be mined using a variety of hardware and software. When Bitcoin was first released, it was possible to competitively mine it on a personal computer. However, as it grew in popularity, more miners joined the network, reducing the chances of being the one to solve the hash. You can still mine with your computer if it has newer hardware, but your chances of solving a hash individually are extremely low. This is because you compete with a network of miners who generate approximately 220 quintillion hashes, 220 exahashes per second. Machines known as application-specific integrated circuits, ASICs, designed specifically for mining, can generate approximately 255 trillion hashes per second. On the other hand, a computer with the most recent hardware hashes around 100 megahashes per second, 100 million. You have several options for becoming a successful Bitcoin miner. First, you can use your existing computer to run Bitcoin-compatible mining software and join a mining pool. Mining pools are groups of miners who pool their computing power to compete with large ASIC mining farms. Joining a pool increases your chances of being rewarded, but the rewards are significantly reduced because they are shared. You could also invest in an ASIC miner if you have the funds. A new one costs around $20,000, but used ones are also sold by miners as they upgrade their systems. You must factor in significant costs, such as electricity and cooling if you buy one or more ASICs. There are numerous mining programs to choose from and numerous pools to join. TG Miner and BSG Miner are two of the most well-known programs. Pros of Bitcoin. Transactions are private and secure at all times, with fewer potential fees. Once you have Bitcoin, you can transfer it whenever and wherever you want, reducing any transaction's time and potential cost. Transactions do not include personal information, such as a consumer's name or credit card number, reducing the risk of consumer information being stolen for fraudulent purchases or identity theft. Decentralization. Following the financial crisis and the Great Recession, some investors are eager to embrace an alternative, decentralized currency, essentially uncontrollable by traditional banks, governing authorities, or other third parties. The potential for rapid expansion. Some investors who buy and hold the currency believe that as Bitcoin matures, greater trust and widespread use will follow, increasing the currency's value. Cons of Bitcoin. Use is limited but growing. A few merchants have begun to accept Bitcoin as payment. These businesses, however, are the exception rather than the rule. SIPC does not provide protection. The Securities Investor Protection Corporation protects investors up to $500,000 if a brokerage fails or funds are stolen, but cryptocurrency is not covered. Concerns about hacking. While supporters claim that Bitcoin's blockchain technology is more secure than traditional electronic money transfers, several high-profile hacks have occurred. For example, more than $40 million in Bitcoin was stolen from several high-net-worth accounts on the cryptocurrency exchange Binance in May 2019. Price volatility. While the value of Bitcoin has risen dramatically over the years, the fortunes of buyers have varied greatly depending on the timing of their investment. For example, those who bought in 2017 when Bitcoin was nearing $20,000 would have to wait until December 2020 to recoup their losses. Even though 2021 was a strong year for Bitcoin, it has since fallen significantly from its all-time highs. Price prediction. Every cryptocurrency expert has a unique analysis or prediction of the Bitcoin price. However, despite the recent volatility and price drop, many remain optimistic that Bitcoin will reach $100,000. Bitcoin will remain at $42,664 in 2022, according to Tech News Leader's Bitcoin price prediction. Meanwhile, Digital Coin Price forecasted that Bitcoin would end the year at $43,011. This figure is slightly higher than what Tech News Leader predicted. Another Bitcoin price prediction from CryptoPrice Predictions states that based on the current Bitcoin price, Bitcoin could reach around $37,450 by the end of the year. What for 2023? There are predictions that it will exceed $70,000 USD in 2023. For 2024, it is predicted to be around $78,000 USD. With a whopping increase, it would be $124,000 USD to $137,000 USD in 2025. For 2026 and 2027, the predictions say the price is $181,000 USD to $280,000 USD. Further, for 2028, it is $386,000 USD, $527,000 USD in 2029, and $798,000 USD in 2030. That's huge. So do you think Bitcoin investing is worth every penny? Let us know your views in the comments below and subscribe for more.